in B.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
So we're back to my Alaska, guys. So let's try to find something. Oh wait, damn, there's a lot of tracks. Is that a trike or maybe a Rex? I think it's a Rex. Oh no, it's a trike. It's a trike. I guess we need to hunt that trike. But first, let's drink. I didn't record that fight, guys. Sorry, but still, I managed to win. I was fucking stuck in that fucking tree, guys. Oh my goodness. I thought that I'm gonna die this time, but phew, he missed 2 times with his M2. Oh my days. Well, I guess I'm so lucky. Damn, this rig has full attrition. Compared to mine, I just have like 1 protein and 79 fat or oh wait, I just have 100% calcium, so I think that calcium that gives me the upper hand, or maybe just 50 since my fat and my protein that time is not full. So, oh my fucking days, oh my fucking days, that's fucking gator, bro.
Yeah, boy.
Okay, let's start the hunt. 400. Another 400.
700.
Bad shot. Oh, bad shot.
Oh shit. Okay, you get a fractured neck.
Fine, that's fine.
What the hell is that? Okay, you get a fractured neck again.
So,
Oh, 400. My days.
he's wasting stamina.
Ah, thank you.
Okay. I got broke headset. I broke the head.
Broke his chest. Ano?
My God!
Yo, shout the season, man. Tell me about the season, man.
Is it elder or no?
Elder, it's elder.
Ah, okay,
Oh,
that's good.
people
This,
for
this is very
me!
easy. This is very easy.
Perfect.
Perfect for growing, I think.
Yes! Free pa yun nung inatake nyo kahapon! Kahapon!
Ow!
Oh, sumipa, sumipa!
Did it? Wait for me. Did it kick? 6 seconds.
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah.
6 seconds. Rating it.
Tatae muna ako mga ya.
Mahulog yan.
Ay, gago. Mag-isipa to.
Ah, this is hard one.
Ah.
Sa kabila.
Discounting, bro.
Camp. Try natin sabayin sa kabila.
Sige. Sige, go.
Okay.
Kick boy. Yun, kick ang hayop na yan. Yun, nag-kick na nga.
Headshot, fractured head.
Yeah. Oh,
Kick again.
nice.
Headshot, 4 on 1. Okay, I did 2k. Okay, 1 for again.
Kick. Tangina, glitch yung ano ko, yung hitbox ko, gago.
Okay, I hit him again.
Wait lang,
I'm down.
nag-glitch.
Low, 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 low.
It's low. I did probably 70. Ilan na nagawa mo?
Ano lang, 3K, nag-glitch yung hitbox ko.
Meron ba siyang 80 HP? Wait,
Yeah.
Antayin mo na. Ilan yung nagawa sa'yo?
Yun.
Really kick? Okay. Oh, hilag. Okay.
Oh, fucking lag. Okay,
Sige.
my days.
Kick,
Oh,
he's gonna
shit.
kick.
Did he kick? No.
Ah, 2-8.
This is crazy, bro. This is crazy.
He's good.
Yeah, it's fucking good. Okay, let him.
One. Oh, he's gonna kick me! No. I think he doesn't text now.
I don't know. I'm out of stamina.
Hey, he going for you.
Yeah. It's crazy.
Oh, fucking kick.
Oh no, did you? Oh shit, he died.
Yeah, I don't know, nagsipap ata, nagsipap.
Ay, gagi, lag.
Tinamaan kahit malayo.
Tangina, 500. Takin na yung 500.
500 HP less. He tried to dodge me, then he forgot he's on the cliff. He died, he's there.
Oh my fucking days. Well, I
Wow.
think we have a food now.
Teka.
That's
Saan ang
crazy.
entrance yan? Saan ang entrance yan?
Sa dito, pre.
Baba?
Dito. Fight back?
Kana-
Oh, okay. That's alright. I'm gonna kill him.
Go. Let's go.
I can handle this guy alone. Oh, he jumped.
What? Another jumper?
Oh, what the heck? Wait. Oh, he logged.
Hindi,
He logged.
Just back. Oh, almost.
magaling.
I broke his leg.
Oh my days.
dead.
Oh,
Another one fall.
for the dead body. He just
Yeah.
inside the cave.
Ayan yung Rex, oh. Ang lapit lang.
Oh, yeah.
Good.
This is this is one of the most isolated place in PE.
Dahil lang ako nakapunta dito.
This is the craziest thing that the Ed has ever done to his life. Oh my fucking days. There's a dead track ahead, bro.
Kita ko nga eh. Baka
Yeah.
Tineo is.
Maybe someone kills him. Let's they check his weight. Someone killed him.
Bro, the same tricks.
Whoa, there's a lot of dead bodies in LFP, bro. Mostly strike. Oh my days.
Oh fuck. There's a war. that's war. Someone's doing a war there.
And there's also another Rex. He is
Yes,
almost killer.
Let's see. Nakikita ko. I only see the trike. Maybe Baba trike. Yung trike, mahilig mang KOS, yung may skin na yan. Trio ata sila eh.
Okay, so that check is really like some brutal thing. Oh my days.
You see this? There's another track here.
Yeah, it's cleaning. I think there are the culprit who killed the strike and LFB.
Yeah. 4 of them.
Damn. Even though there's a lot of food, I think it's still dangerous to eat in his place.
Yeah, even if they do little damage to us, they will die from bleed. Bleed alone will kill us.
Yo, the truck is coming. The truck is coming. This is crazy.